Hi everybody, this is Arkady Frekhtman, a New York City personal injury trial attorney, and today I wanted to answer one of your FAQs live in a video. So we got this question today, 8 hours ago, from Mike Guerra, and it's a really good question. He asks, do you bring up the Economist report while negotiating at a settlement conference? And how much do you value that report while trying to settle a case? So basically, yes, you do want to use the Economist report at a settlement conference or perhaps at a mediation. What you want to do is if you lost time from work because of the accident, because of the injury, you want to get an economist, and the economist will issue projections. What is your past lost wages? What are your future lost wages? As well as household benefits, the value of household benefits, fringe benefits, overtime. People get union benefits if they're in construction especially, or other industries. So all of those things, the economist will take care of that, right? And then what you want to do is you want to have those, what they're called hard numbers, because they're actual economic losses. And you want to show that to the insurance company, to the adjuster, to the defense lawyer at the mediation. And like we've had it, for example, in a construction accident case where somebody had a spinal fusion, we ended up settling the case for $3 million, and we had economic damages probably totaling about, also $2 or $3 million. So the second part of the question, he asks, what value do you put on that? How much do you value that? Well, usually, you're not going to get, if it's a settlement, it's guaranteed money, right? They're paying you that settlement amount. So you're not going to get every penny of the economic loss, but it does go a long way. And I would say it goes a long way, and it's very important because the other types of damages are very much like fickle, right? They're up in the air because they're the human losses, the pain and suffering, the loss of enjoyment of life, how much an injury is worth, what the injury took away from you, how it affected you, how it affected your family. That is very, very subjective, right? One jury might say, this is just horrific what happened to this person, I'm going to give 10 million. And another jury might say, you know what, I don't like this person, I think they're being greedy, I'm going to give 100,000, right? So because that part of the case is so uncertain, then you use the economic damages, and there you have certainty. You say, look, he was working or she was working, they were making 100,000 a year, now they're not working, they have 2 million in lost wages over the course of their lifetime, you have to pay that, right? And that's like a hard number. There's not really much debate about that. A little bit, they'll have their own economist that'll say, but they can't say it's worth nothing, right? So usually you should definitely use it, and it could definitely help, and it could add substantial value. And like I explained, you're not going to get every penny of the economic loss. They are going to give you less than your expert says it's worth, but you should get a substantial portion of it. Like if your expert says it's 2 million, you can get at least 1.5 million, because even the defense expert can't really debate it. And then the other types of experts you could use to prove a type of economic loss are occupational experts, occupational rehabilitation experts, as well as vocational rehabilitation experts that will say that, for example, if you're doing a certain job and that's all you've ever done your entire life, that you cannot do another job, right? That's a vocation, your vocation, and also occupational experts. So those are usually the types of experts, but the economic experts are very, very helpful. And we usually use an economic expert in the high value cases where we do have economic loss. We always like to use economic experts. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Let us know what other questions you have, and we're happy to either schedule a consult or do another video. Okay, have a great day, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving, and we will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.